Hey guys, Dane here. I've just installed this new single handle valve assembly. So while I'm at it, I'm going to show you how to flip the hot and cold controls, which can also be done after the wall and everything is finished. And if you find this video helpful, be sure to help me out by hitting that like button and subscribing to my channel.
DIY Dane.
First, you'll need to make sure the water is shut off. With this Glacier Bay assembly, I can shut off the supply lines on the valve body by tightening these screw stops. If your assembly doesn't have these, you'll need to shut the water off using your home's water supply valve. Now we can remove the handle by loosening the set screw with a hex wrench. We'll then use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the inverter. Then the sleeve by unscrewing it from the bonnet. You may be able to unthread the bonnet by hand, but if not, remove the O-ring before using groove joint pliers or a large adjustable wrench to detach it from the body. Then simply pull out the cartridge. Here you can see the designated hot and cold sides. So we'll rotate the cartridge 180 degrees and shove it back into the body. We can then slide the bonnet back over the cartridge and thread it tightly by hand. This red limit stop ring is how you adjust the desired maximum water temperature. Be sure to return the O-ring back into place. Now screw the inverter back in, making sure the groove that the set screw goes into is in the position you desire. And thread the sleeve back onto the bonnet. Now you can put the handle back into place by tightening the set screw with a hex wrench, and you're all set. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching.